I'm Lynnette Rogers and I am employed by the Kukutaaruhe Education Trust as the Project Manager and Education Coordinator for the Fairfield Project. The Trust has the lease on 12 hectares of land in between Waikato-Tainui and Fairfield College. It's an important piece of land from the community's point of view because it's one of the easily accessible green spaces. From the education point of view, it offers a wonderful opportunity to connect students and to connect community to science learning. The Trust's kaupapa is about education for all ages over the whole sector, not just in schools. The work that I've been doing to date is supporting teachers to connect their learning to green spaces, to biodiversity, to stream studies, to ecology learning, and using our gully as a place where they can go to have a look and see what's possible. As the Education Coordinator with the Fairfield Project, I have a range of different roles to play. In some ways I'm a science advisor. In some ways I'm a science communicator. In other ways I work as a teacher alongside other teachers. I support them with their planning. I have several threads running through all the work that I do, fostering inquiry, learning, curiosity and excitement about science, and to say that everybody can be involved in some way or another. Our goals are to increase the connection of community with science education and with this green space that we have here. The exciting aspects of the project for me personally is that I have seen kids getting into the gully and the spark going off in their eyes. They see science now as something that they might see as a career, connecting the science education that we're doing to real life, real purpose outcomes. So they will be able to see the fruits of their science endeavours. I think the other thing is that we're wanting it to be a nationally recognised project that models a different way of doing things.